Hi everyone, this is Christy, and today I'm going to show you how you can find your 3 sources for your report. So from the Chesapeake College homepage, you're going to go under Academics to the Library LRC. From this homepage, there's 2 different places I'm going to recommend you go. The first one, and most important, is this big search box right in the center. This searches 28 of our databases all at once. That's a lot of information, and I think it's going to be really, really helpful to you. The only thing you want to remember is click the full text, because you want to be able to see the full article, and click Scholarly, because that's going to ensure that you're getting an academic quality source, and you're required to have 3 academic quality sources for this paper. Alright, so I'm going to search for Akira Kurosawa. He's a Japanese filmmaker, and you'll note that I have these quotes around his name. If you have a full name of someone that you're searching for, you want to make sure to use the quotes. Otherwise, it's going to look for the first and the last name separately and all together. You're going to get a lot of results that don't apply. Likewise, if you're looking for your genre, say silent film, you want to put that in quotes as well. Alright, so I have 68 results, and they're all good ones because I clicked that Scholarly button. If you find that you get a result set that's pretty high, maybe 200 or more, or you can estimate if it's too high for you. If you scroll down, we have these subjects, and that's a whole lot of different keywords that you might not have thought of that might help pare down your search to be a little bit closer to what you're looking for. So pay attention to them if you get a giant result set. Okay, all right. So let's say I'm interested in this journal here. If I click on the title of it, this page will get me into all the information I could possibly need. This is a fantastic page and very important for you to be able to get to. First thing you want to do is read the abstract. This is a brief summary about the full article. It'll give you an idea if it's going to be a good source for you or not. If you decide it is, then you want to click on the full text and read the full article. Alright, so let's just say I love this article and I want to use it as a source. This page here will give me all the information I need for my citation. Okay, so I have the name of the journal, the date, the volume, the issue number, the page span, the author, and then if I scroll down, it also gives me the database. And that's important. You need to add that as part of your citation. Reason being is we have so many databases that it's a needle in the haystack to find an article if we don't have the name of the database listed as part of the citation. Another key point is that you want to have a URL as part of your citation as well, so we can find it. You're going to be tempted to click on the link up in the browser and use that as your URL. The problem is that that's a temporary one. So you want to click this permalink over to the right and copy and paste the URL that's presented there, and that's what you want to use for your citation. If you don't have time to read this article, you want to read it later, feel free to use the email option here as well as export. Both of them would help you to save the articles for later. There is a cite tool, and everyone's tempted by this. The database is not always right on in what they put for the different formats. So if you choose to use this, I would highly recommend that you would double check it against your Norton Field Guide to make sure it's accurate. Honestly, I would say to use Noodlebib or EasyBib or do it by hand rather than use this. So that's my little caution to you. Alright, so if I go back out, that's your Big Mac Daddy of a source database to use. But you can also go to this Databases button, and this is all of our databases, which is quite a few. And if you click on English and that subject, Literature Online is another great database. And this has a different interface. It looks real nice, but if I put my director in there and I search for him, you might not get as many as results that are really right on to your topic as you would with the big search, but the ones you get in here are little gems. Honestly, they're really good. So I wouldn't ignore this database. I would check it out and see what you might find. Okay, so I hope that helps. Please remember that you can contact me through course mail anytime during this class. So if you run into trouble, you're having a hard time finding what you need, please contact me and I'm happy to help you out. Okay, thanks.